Latest on a transfer news, sanibona bafethu uvanele so I'm back again with indaba zokubhethwe Premiership. Engabe yakhe team iyathenga na? Ama-team ayathenga. Orlando Pirates are set to sign a highly rated Djibala AC midfielder uAdubulaye Mariko ona 20 years old. The 20 years old bafethu waseMali. Lo mjida lo sedlala ama-games awu7 eCAF Champions League last season. He was named the best evolutionary player at the recent Mali Football Awards. Yabo kuthiwa uza eSouth Africa namhlanje nje uzobela eSouth Africa ezojoin Orlando Pirates. We are expected to see the young star joining Orlando Pirates njengoba beyodlala le Spain. Orlando Pirates izohamba iye Spain izobe inayo lo mdlalo waseMali uyi-midfielder. Asazi kwamanje udlala i-position but sitsheli ukuthi udlala eswini. Asazi noma uyi-CDM noma u-number 8 but ke umjida uyapromise impela neminyaka yakhe. I see the vision ye-Orlando Pirates bafethu. Sobona i-signing yokuqala yocoach omusha we-Orlando Pirates bafethu. Asazi ke noma le signing le ifike nayo ucoach but ke I highly rate abadlali abancane. Yebo I highly rate abadlali abancane mfethu. Umdlali una 20 years old uyambona impela ukuthi usawumfana omncane lo. Kwesinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje kunama rumors esiwatholile namhlanje kuthiwa after signing uSipho Mbulo, Orlando Pirates have reportedly shown interest in star uNeo Maema, who is also on Kaizer Chiefs radar. With Maema pushing for more game time kuMamelodi Sundowns, will he reunite with uSipho Mbulo at Mayfair? Asazi. But ke Orlando Pirates iyamfuna naye. Khumbula ke lo coach lo musha Orlando Pirates washo vele ku-interview lapha wathi uyamthanda lo mdlali lo kuthiwa uSipho Mbulo. Simbona ke manje esirisurface ku-Orlando Pirates. Nangu ke futhi lo mdlali lo weMamelodi Sundowns uNeo Maema. Neo Maema ku-Sundowns i-situation yakhe i-tricky bafethu. But ke lo coach omusha ku-Orlando Pirates washo na ku-interview wathi uyamthanda nawo uNeo Maema indlela adlala ngakhona. Singambona uNeo Maema join Orlando Pirates kule season ezoqala asazi. But ke there were talks. Kunezinkulumo ezasho uNeo Maema bafethu engayithandanga regarding ama-team aseSoweto. Yabo muwazi lawo umuzazi leso izinkulumo azisho uNeo Maema wangitshela ama-comments. Yabo azikho mnandi lezo izinkulumo lezo regarding ama-team aseSoweto. But ke we could see uNeo Maema bafethu playing ku-Orlando Pirates uma Orlando Pirates iphusha ngempela i-deal yakhe. Ezinye zezindaba bafethu njengoba ngireportile Durban City and Simo Dladla officially parted ways. The two parties couldn't reach a new contract term. Attack ibi expire ngo 30 June. Njoba izo expire nje icontract yakhe umjida ke ezi renew. So uSimo Dladla bafethu uzoyishiya iDurban City. Asazi ukuthi yipi team ezomlanda right now uSimo Dladla but ke useshiyile kuDurban City bafethu. Simfisela ukuhle kwifuture yakhe okwazile ukuyisisa iDurban City ipromote but ke iDurban City ayilenzanga iqiniso ukuthi i-renew icontract yakhe. Ayilenzanga impela iqiniso bafethu but ke sothina. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu i-team ezojoin iDurban City kwiBetway Premiership bafethu i-Orbit College. I-Orbit College ke bafethu siyenze umlando namhlanje. Yawina over iCape Town City. Bawine ngo-1-0 bashaya iCape Town City. Sebezoyithola bedlala kwiBetway Premiership. Umlando ke lo bafethu omuhle kakhulu eclubini ye-Orbit College bafethu. The last time we saw i-team eqhamuka eRustenburg edlala kwiBetway Premiership kwakuyiPlatinum Stars. Iyona ke team eyayidlala lapha. So iNorth-West Province kumele isukume right now ishayele izandla iOrbit College FC bafethu yenze eyibukwayo. Yenze ibukwayo bafethu namhlanje shaya iCape Town City. Show iCape Town City isho nezantsi ke right now the quality players abadlala lapha. There are many quality players abadlala lapha bafethu. Singababona beresurface kuma club kuBetway Premiership njengoba Jordan Rose nje befuna iOrlando Pirates. Singambona impela uJordan Rose ejoin iOrlando Pirates on a free transfer because umdlali wa uyiquality bafethu. I-team yezantsi yena akwazi ukuyezantsi neCape Town City. Yebo kunama team azowajoina kuBetway Premiership. Kwezinye izindaba namhlanje ngiyaqala ukuyibona lento le kuthiwa iphoyisa lingene umdlalo udlala. Iphoyisa lingene kumdlalo udlala eOld Peter Mokaba Stadium in Polokwane to stop the SAFA Limpopo ABC Motsepe League provincial playoffs between iDolphins and Mpemi Defenders. Imagine kuthiwa this follows a court interdict brought by a sheriff at the stadium. Kuthiwa lo mdlalo lo bekumele azomisa. Asazi kwenzakalani. Lento le ayivamisile ukwenzeka. Kungene iphoyisa lizomisa umdlalo. Imagine umdlalo bafethu under iSAFA ABC Motsepe League provincial playoffs. Ungenile iphoyisa lazomisa abadlali kwathiwa igame ayime. Asazi ke lezinto lezi ziyoyekwa nini because ibhola le South Africa kumele ngabe professional. Umdlalo bengamele uze uqale. mekukhona inkinga ezikhona ngaze ngene iphoyisa umuntu womthetho azothatha ibhola egroundini abadlali bedlala akusona isithombe esihle lesi yabo ibrand of football lesimele abse Africa advertise Africa iSundowns imeli South Africa right now kwiClub World Cup but kunezinto ezenzeka kanje kumali walex wethu izinto ezikanjani kumele ngabe zenzeka abafethu this is unprofessional from the police and the match officials abavumelele umdlalo lo uqale yabo kwezinye indaba bafethu engekho mnandi bafethu the former Masandawana co-owner uAngelo bafethu has passed away following a car accident yesterday yabo siyedlulisa amazwi enduduzo bafethu engawuthi umndeni wakhe ungashosha udlule kule inhlungu lezi abadlula kuzona right now yabo ngathi angalala ukuthula uAngelo lapho ekhona amusho lapho ekhona uzobe happy ngempela ukubona iclub yakhe la isikhona iclub apha sithi pace khona ukuthi ifike kule height ekuyona right now yabo ngathi angalala ukuthula ngempela kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje breaking news iKaizer Chiefs defender uRiff Rossler has penned down a new 3-year contract with Amakhosi yabo the deal was quietly signed around 3 months ago. I spoke about the deal Riff Rossler bafethu with the Kaizer Chiefs ezinyangeni ezidlule bafethu naku ke sisithola umbiko kuthiwa umjida usisayine icontract entsha neKaizer Chiefs iKaizer Chiefs yarenew ngempela there are many players ozobona ezikhathini zama like ozobona incoming weeks besayina ama contracts amasha with the Kaizer Chiefs iKaizer Chiefs are not looking to sign new players currently but they are renewing contracts labadlali ade bekhona vele bakhona vele abadlali abazobathenga but the most players abadlala right now bazo renew with the Kaizer Chiefs isquad osijwayele ukusibona so renew yabo kwezinye izindaba bafethu TS Galaxy have reached a full agreement with uHopewell Cele after Rwale M exit joins on a free transfer personal terms agreed the 24-year-old is expected to be available on 1st July when TS Galaxy pre-season starts yabo kuindaba ezindleke lezi bafethu I'm sure abantu abaningi babebuza ngempela ukuthi kazi kwenzakalani ngalabadlali ababedlalela iRwale M yabo because isquad kwakuyisquad esikhulu kakhulu lesiyana abadlali abaningi sababona bayijoin ithi yible team le iGolden Arrows sababona abadlali abaningi bayijoin iGolden Arrows but ke most abadlali bayaphi yabo amsho abantu abaningi ade bekhuluma but ke nango Hopewell Cele bafethu uyojoina right now iTS Galaxy I hope abanye bazowathola ama team bakhona ama team promoter right now siyibonile Durban City siyibonile Orbit College eya promoter we hope to see another players bewathola ama clubs la abaqhamuka kuNiRwale M kwezinye izindaba bafethu uMlungwana noGumede are leaving eGolden Arrows the contracts of both goalkeepers are understood to be expiring on 30 June Arrows have signed uXolani Ngcobo a free agent after his former club iRwale AM was expelled bafethu so labachida about 2 ema contract abo ayaphela with iGolden Arrows bayahamba ngo30 June kwezinye izindaba bafethu updates on Undamande's potential move to FCB yabo FCSB bafethu club le edlalelo ubani umdlali lo wedlalela iKaizer Chiefs idefender icenter back ungezana so le club le yabona ngempela ukuthi ikhona iquality South Africa so they need another center back eqhamuke South Africa so the Rockets iTS Galaxy ayinankinga ukudayisa umjida ayinankinga ukudayisa umjida they are willing to sell Undamane yabo it's up to the club ukuthi if nayo iphika imali kuzoba kuyona iTS Galaxy uthi iyayivuma in lo mali noma cha akhona amanye ama team akhona vele kwi-race yokumsayina lo mjida lo Orlando Pirates ngizwile ngempela ukuthi ikhona kwi-race yokumsayina Undamane but ke iFCSB iyona ene potential ukuthi iwine le race le because i-team edlalela eEurope bane financial power eningi ukuthi bahlule Orlando Pirates kule race le ingaba bazoyihlula yini Orlando Pirates asas let us see iwindi kusakudime kakhulu ukuthi livalwe yabo lizovala ngoba September lizovulwa manje kuphela lenyanga le kwezinye izindaba bafethu Motsepe Foundation Championship side iUpington FC have moved swiftly to appoint a new coach uAbraham Mongoya to replace uBrendan Shooter who left the club at the end of last season bafethu